Hey guys, so today I'm kind of craving some sloppy joes and some shepherd's pie. So let's just put it together. Come on, let's do it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is I have some of my frozen ground beef that is already cooked. And I took these out of the freezer last night. There's some mashed potatoes. All right, so I'm gonna be moving pretty soon, so I don't really wanna keep a whole lot of food. So I'm gonna start using up a lot of stuff that's in my freezer. So we're just gonna use this little one and I'll make one serving for me. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this ground beef in the microwave to defrost. The next thing is we're gonna turn this into ketchup, which means I need three things. Some mustard, just plain old yellow mustard, plain old ketchup, and some brown sugar. Now this still isn't really broken up, so I am gonna and I was gonna put some veggies in here with this. I'm kind of out of veggies right now. Don't ask me how that happened. I don't know, but it did. So, yeah. All right. Basically, I'm gonna go back and forth and put equal parts of all of these things in here. Until it looks right. All right, so we have equal parts of mustard, ketchup, and brown sugar. And again, I'm just gonna come in here and kind of mix it up again. This probably would have been just easier to do this. Hello. Note to self. It's good for chopping meat, not for mixing things. It's just mostly covered in mustard, which is my least favorite part. All right. So basically, you just want to mix this until it coats everything really well. So, the other thing I should have told you is I am going to put my toaster oven on to the toast setting, and I'm just going to tell it to stay on. Potatoes. Nice if I had a little more, but I love these little tiny jars for like potatoes because it's the perfect size for one serving. All right, now since this is Pyrex, it can go into the oven. So I'm just gonna put this in the oven. Everything in it is cooked, so it really just needs to kind of come together. I think I am gonna put a little more pepper and a little more salt on my potatoes because I usually don't season them before I put them into the freezer. I think I am gonna put a little bit of, just a tiny bit of butter on the top too. Because I wanna say I did put butter in my potatoes, but I don't know. But that will also help it get a nice crisp top. All right, into my preheated toaster oven it goes, and I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. but I would say it's probably gonna be in there about, oh, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. Just until the top gets nice and brown. So I turned this off about, I don't know, 10 minutes ago, just because I wanted it to stay warm. But it's been in there probably about 20 minutes, I would say. And doesn't it just look good? All right, I'll be back. All right, so here it is. Sloppy Joe shepherd's pie. Still wish it had some veggies in this, but it smells really good. It's so good. And I was right, I did not put any butter in those mashed potatoes. I'm glad I put that little bit on top. I could probably do with a little more. But the sauce underneath, oh, so good. Y'all have got to try this. Oh, it's so good. Let me know what you think if you try it. If you add any veggies or anything. I would have, but mine are kind of gone. I'm moving in a month, so it's like I don't want to stock up on things and then there's more things I have to move. Y'all have a good night and keep on loving the real world, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye.